So you have already known your passion in foreign languages ever since you were still little, yeah?
You could say that.
Uh-huh. So I'm curious that you are fluent in English, but why you are studying Japanese literature instead of English literature?
Well, I mean, earlier I was in UI, a test
Uh-huh.
of UI in University of Indonesia. I was took Korean literature,
At the first choice.
yeah, Korean
Mm-hmm.
literature, and then Russian literature
Mm-hmm.
at University of Indonesia, and then
Mm-hmm.
there's also SIMAK UI,
Mm-hmm.
and I have to do it, and I failed
Yeah. Okay. You
up
failed,
until
and
like
then.
my parents recommend me to go to UNER so that I can be able to be together with my
Mm-hmm.
older sister, since my older sister is also from Japanese literature in UNER.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, my response just okay, why not? I'm just gonna do it. I that time was called Ujian Mandiri. So I took Japanese literature and English literature, and like a few months later, I got accepted in the UNER and I got Japanese literature.
Mm-hmm.
But the English one, well, sadly, I didn't manage it.
Yeah, okay. So you have already known your passion in foreign languages ever
Mm,
since you were still little, yeah?
You could say that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's
See,
interesting, Damar. So, any special message or tips and trick, especially for me and
mm,
also the audiences, for those who are learning foreign languages,
for,
especially in English, yeah? How is the effective ways for us to always keep on improving our skill,
mm.
especially in English?
Maybe you can learn something from the lyrics of the song, or you can read
Ah,
some books, and moreover, just try to a little bit pronounce anything that in the word from the foreign language. I know it's gonna be wrong when you say it, but you need to keep practicing until you able to say it.
so thank you, Damar, for
Ah, you're
your
welcome.
willingness to be my guest
Right.
today. It's very nice to talk with you, and I hope our chit chat will be beneficial for the audiences,
Wish the good thing.
especially those who
Right.
are now
Mm,
learning foreign languages. Thank you so much.
You are
Okay,
welcome.
guys, that's all our podcast today, our chit chat with Damar.
Mhm.
So don't forget to subscribe my channel,
Right.
Chika Talk channel, and we will see you again in other episode of English podcast. Okay, bye bye.
See you.